Hello, welcome back to another wash, another day, another week. Wow! So you know the fenugreek seed I did in my previous wash. I'm going to use the same fenugreek paste again, but I'm going to use yogurt as well. So what I'm going to do is one two scoops of this and 1 scoop of normal Greek yogurt and 1 spoon of olive oil. Let me just get olive oil. 2 scoops of fenugreek paste, 1 scoop of yogurt. I feel like I should eat this now. Don't try it. 1 spoon of olive oil. Blend it all together. I will show you then what to do next. So we have finished blending this now. Show you the consistency. This is more like, never mind. Smells very yogurty. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it into this bottle. So this is like a coloring bottle. You color your hair with this, and it's got a little bit of the thing. It's easy to apply to hair. So usually pour this into here. Okay, tricks to the trade. You know how you have only little mask and you have lots of leftover? What I do then is you can add 1 spoon of olive oil, or I'll just get some water. Put a little bit in and blend it again. So you will have more liquidy consistency. Instead of doing this, you can add more fenugreek paste, more yogurt, whatever you want. Give it a shake. And it looks like a milkshake, but not a milkshake. Pour this back into this bottle. Look at that, you got a lot of mask now. This is an easy method to apply to your hair. So what you can do is, you can see, so imagine this is your hair. I'm doing diagrams now, like in school, and you can just do like, so this is how it's gonna go in your scalp, and you can like massage it in. Do you get me? Oh my god, I have to wash my hands now. Smells of, doesn't smell much yogurty, by the way, so it's easy to apply and it's a bit slimy. So, and that's it. Make sure when you get the fenugreek out of the fridge, you will have little water droplets. Do not put it like that back into the lid. The water's gonna fall on the fenugreek paste, whatever you made. All your hard work is gonna go away. So what you should do is get a tea towel or get a tissue and wipe the lid, so the water wouldn't go back in. And if there is any, just like tap it into the sink so you have nothing there. Then you can put it back in the fridge, because you made this with all your hard work. You don't want this going moldy, so be careful with that. And pour this into your hair. So use this, I mean, again, you can pour some in your hand and just get it all over your hair. Leave it in your hair for 20 to 30 minutes maybe. Wash it with normal shampoo and conditioner, and that's it. You're good to go for another week. It's still watery, as you can see, so I think I'll wash my hands, wash my hair. I'll be back and show you how my hair is doing. Bye! This is my hair after 2 days of applying fenugreek and yogurt. My dandruff have reduced significantly. I have a little bit oiliness in the scalp here, but the ends and everything is pretty frizzy and dry. So my hair feel like it's got a lot of volume. If you look, it looks like I've got a lot of hair, but it's just because of the frizziness and everything. I would say after you washed your hair with shampoo and conditioner, apply some coconut oil at the ends of the hair so it feels nourished. But my hair, even though it's frizzy, it is pretty soft to detangle. I can put my hand through, that's absolutely fine. My hair is still soft, but it just looks like frizzy and voluminous. So if you want like a voluminous hair, try this mask. I've been out in the sun all day yesterday. Maybe that's why my scalp is a little bit oily. But other than that, I think this mask works great. I would still prefer it with the olive oil one because I feel like it gives more nourishment to end of my hair rather than just the roots. But the yogurt works better for the dandruff. I feel like the dandruff has calmed down better. Rather than applying fenugreek and olive oil, I feel like applying fenugreek and yogurt to my scalp soothes my scalp a bit more mask wise. And that's it, that's wash done. Hopefully you enjoy this video and try fenugreek mask, and let me know in the comments below what's my other videos if you haven't seen any. I do different masks every week. I try to. I'm currently using fenugreek to finish that off. I will do something different next week hopefully, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.